Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed into the Gmail account that a website can access. Now act. Open Google account, go to Security, then Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Once there, scan the list for the website or app name. If you see it, click to view permissions so you know which are granted. Make sure you understand whether access is OAuth token-based or API key-based, because that determines the next removal steps on the site side. Start revocation from Google first. After revoking access in Google, go to the website's account integrations or developer settings. You need to delete stored refresh tokens and any saved API keys. Otherwise, the site might still access your data. If the site supports disconnect, use that function and then double-check the database or config files for lingering credentials. Once done, rotate secrets used elsewhere and update any webhook settings. Make sure to log out and clear session cookies so tokens can't be reused. You should now verify that the app is gone from your Google account. If it still appears, revoke it again and check for multiple entries. Test the website. Try the actions that read or send Gmail. If access is removed, those should fail or request reauthorization. If the site still has access, force logout across devices, reset passwords if concerned, and contact the site administrator to ensure server-side tokens were cleared. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect server logs for token exchange errors to trace lingering access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.